Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Roblox in 2026. This tutorial is very simple and beginner-friendly, and you can follow the same steps on both your computer and your mobile device, because the settings layout is almost the same. So let's start. First, go ahead and open Roblox and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Roblox is open, look at the left side of the screen. Here, you will see a small menu icon with 3 dots. If you're using a mobile phone, you will see the 3 dots here. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. After clicking the 3 dots, a menu will open. From this menu, click on Settings. Now you will be taken to the Roblox settings page. On the settings screen, look for the option called Privacy and Content Restrictions. Go ahead and click on that. Once you open the Privacy and Content Restrictions section, scroll down a little. Here, you will find a tab called Blocked Users. Now click on the Blocked Users tab. After clicking on it, you will see a list called Blocked Users. This list shows all the people you have blocked on your Roblox account. Now, find the username that you want to unblock. Next to that username, you will see an option that says Unblock. Simply click on the Unblock button next to the person you want to remove from your block list. Roblox may ask you to confirm your action. If you see a confirmation message, just confirm it. And that's it. The user is now successfully unblocked from your Roblox account. Now let me quickly explain what happens after you unblock someone. Once a user is unblocked, they will be able to send you friend requests again, and you will also be able to see their messages and interact with them normally in games, depending on your privacy settings. Keep in mind that unblocking someone does not automatically add them as your friend. It only removes them from your blocked list. If you want to be friends with that person again, you will still need to send or accept a friend request.